everybody, guess what? The package arrived. We got the black boxer robot from Spin Master. Let's unbox it. Alright. It just arrived on late February's. Alright. Here it is. In January we did the blue original boxer. You even have a pocket thing. Alright. Alright, everybody. I think that's it. Alright, here's the boxer robot. But this time it's the black one. So I'm going to take a picture with Twilight Sparkle and Fluttershy. Yeah. I don't know if it is gonna work because of the. Alright, ready in 3. Sorry about that. I don't know if this is gonna work. Ready in 3. Oh, sorry about that. I hope I don't get trademark of this. In 3, 2, 1. Alright. First, it's for ages 6 and up. So let's go unbox it. I hope it works. I think it opens right here. No, wait, hold on. And also, the Boxer app is available on iOS and Google Play. Well, I don't think it's not available no more. Or maybe it's only in Canada, because Boxer robot country is from Canada. Hold on, guys, I need a pen. Come on. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's about to be. Oh, there's the tape. Alright, everybody, hold on. I'll go pause the camera. Here's the robot. Oh, it's windy outside. And the batteries are dead. You have to charge them for now. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Oh, a ball. Alright. So, Elinor, what do you think? Oh, I forgot Elinor. She's in the living room. Let's put this. I'll put it under right here. Let me see. How does it open? Alright, let me see. Oh my god. It opens right here. Let's see, go. Alright, I think it's open actually. Oh, it's right here. Alright. And here's the remote control. Even it has with, the blue one doesn't have any, the levers. Alright. It goes, opens like this. It looks like a Wii U remote. It has with Joy-Cons, like a pedal. And here's the flyer. Alright, this information, but I'm not gonna tell you. Here's the flyer. Going to that charge. I buy the E and the R train magnet, E for emo, and R for robot. You know why? The R train magnet name is for the Win Fun robot because the robot said, "Hi, I'm a robot." It's like that. I'll show you at the end of the video, or I think we're going to the next episode. This is going to be E for emo for this robot, like we did last time, last year. Box the not going to channel C. And for Novi, B for Boxer, and C for Cosmo. I couldn't find the V maybe because of the got discontinued back in 2010. The train got discontinued 14 years ago. They got discontinued the V train. Alright, what do you think, Rosie?
Yeah.
Wait, where's Elinor?
Oh, Father, sorry I'm late.
Alright, Elinor. Well, we just unboxed the Boxer robot, the black one. Well, we're gonna go charge him in the next video. Alright?
Okay.
So that'll be it. I'm gonna start with the R and E train now. We'll see you guys on the part 2 tomorrow or later. Let's start with R and E, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go.